Want to play games with friends on iMessage? Let's get started. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for Game Pigeon in the search bar. From the search results, click on the Game Pigeon app. Tap Get or Cloud icon to install the app. After installing, go back to your home screen. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Select the contact you wish to play a game with by tapping on their conversation. Tap the plus icon next to the message box. Tap on Game Pigeon to view a variety of games. Choose a game you want to play, such as 8-ball or basketball. Tap on the game to start. Send a game invitation to your contact by tapping the arrow. Wait for your contact to receive and accept the notification. Once your friend accepts, you can start taking turns and playing the game. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.